Ever seen a house rolling down the road? A truck hauling a train? Or a giant excavator climbing a trailer at a near vertical angle? This is next-level heavy transport, where size, skill, and sheer power collide. Let's jump in and witness these mind-blowing moments firsthand. This haul puts the truck's engine, transmission, and braking system to the ultimate test. With immense payload weight, the cooling system must perform flawlessly to prevent overheating. Torque response and axle articulation are key in maintaining traction. This scenario validates real-world performance under extreme stress conditions, ensuring machinery meets operational demands. Oh no, that blade's caught in the trees. One wrong move and that blade's a tree trimmer. This reminds me of those crazy logging roads up in Oregon. A thrilling showdown on a mud-soaked stage featuring two powerhouse machines. The Valtra 1780 roars to life, straining to pull the bogged-down Massey 292 as its tires dig deep into the thick sludge. This is a battle of pure torque, maximum traction, and relentless power. One wrong move, and both could sink even further. Does the Valtra have what it takes to break free? This is where Scania's true power shines. With horsepower ranging from 280 to 770, these beasts haul massive loads down the road while maintaining top-tier performance. The air suspension keeps the ride smooth, and the spacious cabin ensures drivers stay comfortable even on the longest hauls. If you're looking for a tough, reliable, and efficient machine, Scania is the way to go. The raw force of heavy-haul truck engines is evident in Project Gator, a sophisticated girder transport initiative in Calvert, Alabama. Beyond logistics, this project highlights the intersection of structural mechanics and transport engineering. Frequent route shifts imposed by AMNS required advanced load distribution calculations, while lightning-related stoppages underscored the necessity of weather-adaptive scheduling. Behold the rare spectacle. You might think only single dump trucks rule the road, but here in Minnesota, a double-wide haul truck is navigating the highway. It's part spaceship, part land cruiser, and every bit a jaw-dropping sight. How does something this massive even make a turn? Impressive! I can't believe my eyes. A house is rolling down the hill. A whole house creeping down a slope. A 16-ton excavator chained behind, dragged by the truck like an anchor. Can you even imagine the stress on that rig? One slip, one miscalculation, and it's game over. The question remains, did they make it safely, or did disaster unfold? And here we go. A Volvo FMX 10x4 is preparing to take on a serious load. 5 axles, a custom UM218 platform, and a 28,500 kilogram capacity. Every detail is engineered for stability. But before this powerhouse hits the road, it has to be loaded with precision. Let's see how it's done. Witnessing National Heavy Haulage Maneuver, the massive Cat 785D water truck through Western Australia's outback is a testament to their logistical prowess. This behemoth, boasting a payload capacity of up to 157 tons, is essential for dust suppression in mining operations. This operation showcases their capability to handle oversized mining equipment, ensuring timely and safe delivery to remote sites. Good work! An unstoppable steel beast. A 9-locomotive monster train tearing through Byers Canyon on the legendary Moffat route. So long it literally snapped in half earlier. These aging coal cars and GP15 locos might be on their final ride to the scrapyard. No pusher locos, railroading at its most extreme. Oh no, this can't be real, right? A train slipped off the tracks while running, but luckily nothing terrible happened. The Sisu Polar Timber Truck, equipped with an Eaton Fuller transmission, is built for heavy-duty logging. It's tackling an uphill haul, while in the background, a Scania DC-16 V8 idles, ready for action. Imagine if Sisu expanded into work-ready pickups. Now that'd be a game changer. That last combination is pretty cool. I've never seen anything like that before.
Going.
With the growing demand for renewable energy, transporting wind turbines has become a crucial part of the heavy logistics industry. It's not as simple as just loading one onto a truck and hitting the road. The team at Colette's Heavy Transport meticulously calculates weight distribution, center of gravity, and road load capacity. Every turn is analyzed, and every bridge is assessed for strength. It's a complex engineering challenge, and they're the experts who solve it with precision. This is where a locked differential shines. When a heavy log truck climbs a steep hill, uneven traction can make the wheels slip. But with the differential locked, power is evenly distributed, giving the truck the grip it needs to conquer that climb like a beast. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. A thrilling race of hybrid sisu beasts in Finland. On the icy track, Jari Halonen takes the wheel of his first ever hybrid monster. And whoa, would you believe it? This fully loaded truck speeds past the diesel like it's nothing. Is it just luck, or is hybrid technology truly changing the game? Let's check out this incredible performance. A game changer at Veracruz port. The cutting-edge Cybertech crane has officially arrived at the Petra bulk terminal, marking a new era in port operations. This powerhouse of technology, welcomed with precision by Veracruz Port Authority and Grupo Gramosa, is set to revolutionize cargo handling. Ready to see the future of cargo handling in action? What a nightmare. We're witnessing Mother Nature's raw power as a fierce storm tears through the port, sending massive gantry cranes sliding out of place. Putting the Volvo FH 1675 horsepower and Scania R4 806x4 to the test with Nordex windmill parts transport. The FH16 handles the heavy loads effortlessly, maintaining torque and control. The Scania R480, however, has received mixed reviews due to engine stress. These cases highlight the need for advanced thermal management and drivetrain optimization to sustain peak efficiency under extreme loads. The MAN truck is powerful, but 120 tons is just too much. No surprise the drive shaft snapped. Now it's up to the Kraz, dropping into low gear and pulling 48 tons up that incline without breaking a sweat. It handles the job better with its high torque and solid design. But here's the big issue. Traffic is a mess, and there should have been an escort to keep things safe. Launching a cargo barge isn't as simple as floating a boat. Stability, ballast calculations, and current dynamics play a huge role. If the barge drifts, a tugboat must take control immediately. Without proper guidance, it's a 200-ton liability moving with the river's force. Precision is key in operations like this. The key here is precise force application. Two synchronized wreckers must counterbalance the weight while winches control the roll. One miscalculation and the Peterbilt 379X could shift dangerously. Those guys did a great job flipping the truck. They must do that often, and I liked that they didn't slam it down. This move highlights the evolution of modern transport logistics. The combination of a Peterbilt 389 6x4 and a TRT ESS4 axle trailer showcases the latest in heavy-haul innovation. Quick Connect technology improves efficiency, while electronic steering ensures precise navigation. Over 2 nights and a full day, the crew battles tight roads and tricky turns. Impressive. Proper loading is key when hauling an O&K excavator for scrapping. Operators must choose between a gooseneck lowboy or rail-guided flatbed, ensuring balance, securement, and legal compliance. A C-class driver can handle it if weight limits allow. A different approach to trailer loading involves precision hydraulic systems. The Tesmec 140-ton trencher, paired with a Goldhofer THP/SL, relies on hydraulic lift assists and modular configurations for controlled positioning. This process highlights mechanical load dynamics, stress distribution, and vehicle stability, core principles in transport engineering.
कितना ओवर चढ़ गया वो एक ट्रक उठ गया आगे से अच्छा वो पीछे जाएगा
Don't rush past this. Forget assisted loading via chain pulls or rail-guided flatbeds. This Komatsu excavator climbs the trailer at 90 degrees solo, only possible with precise hydraulics, efficient drivetrain, and a solid undercarriage. However, this is pure recklessness. Choosing not to use a proper ramp is just careless and irresponsible.
ये वीडियो डालना बेटा अगर वहाँ से
तेरे को थोड़ी वो देंगे वो बताइए लाइट की तार मैंने किसी में वो मिट्टी का ढेर जैसे ऊपर से क्या चलो नीचे पिटते
Wow, been a heavy truck fan for 20 years, but I've never seen one this big, this fast. And it just shoved 4 trucks aside like nothing. Insane. Ever wondered how giant oil rigs get from one country to another? Mamaway takes on the challenge, hauling 2 massive rigs from the UAE to Oman. The journey? A logistical masterpiece, over 100 poles and traffic signals removed, a bridge built to protect underground pipelines, and cargo towering over 37 meters long. This is extreme transport at its finest. Every great transport starts with a precise setup. First, we position the crane just right, making sure the weight is evenly distributed. Next, slow and steady, it rolls onto the low bed, with spotters ensuring every move is on point. And finally, chains locked, safety checks complete, and we're ready to roll. That's how you transport a beast like this. If there's one thing to learn from this, it's that distraction behind the wheel can have serious consequences. A moment's lapse, and a fully loaded truck is on its side. Thankfully, the right recovery team was called in. They used 2 wreckers to safely lift and reposition the tanker. So, next time you're driving, stay focused. It's always better to prevent than recover. That was amazing! The Cat 99 2K Alessandrados in action is downright exhilarating. Impressive display of mechanical prowess. The team expertly navigated the vehicle, ensuring the drive shaft remained intact despite the challenging incline. Hats off to their skill and precision. In the world of heavy haulage, innovation is everything. The Schuerl Eurocompact, FL02 and FL03 aren't just trailers, they're a leap forward in transport technology. Designed for maximum payload with minimal weight, these engineering marvels prove that smart design leads to safer, more efficient fleets. Quality, after all, always wins. Unbelievable. From impossible maneuvers to record-breaking hauls, this was transport at its wildest. Which moment shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more extreme heavy haul action.